In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok after the ban in the US. It's very easy to do, so try not to skip any steps. Okay, what you want to do is access the App Store from your iPhone. Then once you've done that, you want to open the account settings. So open the App Store, go to the top right corner, tap your profile icon. It might look like a silhouette if you haven't set a custom profile picture. After that, it will take you to the account details. Now from here, you can change your country or region. However, if you have any active subscriptions, they need to be canceled and your App Store credit balance must be 0. You can manage subscriptions directly from the account page or contact Apple support to resolve any balance issues. For example, you can go to the subscriptions and the account settings to manage your current subscriptions. Okay, after you've done that, go back to this page, hit change account or region. Now, once you've cleared it, tap the country region, select the new country from the list, and scroll through the option, for example, Canada or whatever country that might be close to you that still allows TikTok. Then after you've done that, accept the terms and conditions. Then after you've accepted the terms and conditions, you need to update your payment method. So this ensures that your purchases work seamlessly with your updated App Store settings. And that is it. That is how you download TikTok in the US after the ban.